Welcome back to the channel everyone. Another day and another unboxing. This is something very interesting. I've received it after 15 days of waiting. Now before I unbox this, let me tell you about this. Now from in the past few months I was searching for a particular product for my car. So people like me who love their cars and their automobiles, this unboxing and the website that I'm going to tell you about is going to be very interesting. Now what happened was I was searching for one monogram and one radiator cap for my car, and since the old car I wasn't able to find anywhere else. I even searched in all the showrooms, other local vendors and stuff, and it was very difficult to find. And finally I came across this website. Now I'm telling about this website. Obviously it is not a sponsored, not that big YouTuber to get sponsorships and all. So but this website is an amazing website that I came across, because if you have a car, and any car for that matter, however old it is, however new it is, might be a mid somewhere around 5 years old, or very old 10 years old, 15 years old car, or a brand new car, and if you're not able to find a part, I can assure you that you will find in this website. Almost confirmly you will be able to find on this website. Now let's unbox this. Even I'm unboxing first product from their website, but I'm pretty sure I researched a bit, read a lot of reviews and stuff, and I can assure you that this is going to be a correct one. Now this is a radiator cap. After I ordered this, I ordered a couple of products, so I'm going to unbox that as well. So good evening, Shubha Sanjay, Elrigu Namaskara, welcome back. Unboxing knife. I didn't unbox using this for a long time, so this was inside. So unbox. This website again is called Boodmo spare parts. Now you get OEM parts as well. Suppose say they give you enter your car and model and the make and whatever, and you get the complete structural diagram, and you can find which part you want, and then you can find that. If you have spare part number also you can find. So it's a very good link in the description. We'll go check it out. If you're searching for part, if you are searching for any spare part like me, you can find it here. Now I hope there are no, and you can return for 10 days if they send you the wrong product. One thing I didn't like about this is they took nearly 15 days to ship this product to me. OEM part again from Hyundai. See, original Hyundai OEM part. Now for those of you who don't know OEM, what OEM is, it's basically from the manufacturer. So I have booked a Hyundai radiator cap for my car, and I can assure you that it's sealed. It is brand new, it is not opened. Hyundai branding, looks very genuine, made in India. See, manufactured again 7 2021, very latest product. So let's unbox this neatly. You have to unbox, because if that is not the right part and doesn't fit, I'll have to send it back. Okay, fail. I have to do it again from the side. Oh god. Oh yeah, this is the exact part. Like, no damage, at least from what I can see. Let's go fit it in the car and see if this works out. Okay, after almost half an hour I went to the car. It is pretty dark. It's somewhere around 6:30 now in the evening, so I didn't want to show you all the dark parts in a perfectly 4K rendered video. Takes a lot of effort. So on that note, share this video with your friends or family who love their car and are searching for some parts, or will be interested in such kind of videos. It fit perfectly, so I can from what I could see and notice, it was a very genuine product. So go do check out Boodmo. It's called BOODMO spare parts. Any car, any brand, I assure you will find the part that you're looking for from the OEM, including your speakers, from door panels, dashboards, interior, your central console, your steering wheel, this thing, anything you name the part, you'll find it. You will even find lubricants, coolant, oils, all that stuff, you will find it there. If you are looking for some part, definitely best place to buy BOODMO. On that note, that was a very pretty interesting, and I want to show you this, guys. The only con of this website is they took almost 15 days to send the product to me, which at this point in time and age is very, very long. 15 days. Who will wait 15 days? That's the only con, but other thing else, I'm very satisfied. So on that note, share the video. 4K video takes a lot of time and effort in the busy schedule. Do like if you end up liking the video. Comment down your thoughts, or if you want to know something else, if you want to suggest your whatever you want, just comment down below. See you in the next one very, very soon with this review. It's been over 1.5 months since I'm using, and I have a lot to tell. So see you in that video very, very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, always wear a face mask, get vaccinated when your time comes, and see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye.